All right, it's Monday, June 3rd, first day of the week, first day of the new month, and I just thought I'd give a morning SPY update here. It's about 45 minutes into trading. The first three 15-minute bars have formed. You can see here, after gapping up a little bit, we had a red bar to start. We moved a little lower. We then tried to go up higher. There must have been some news release or something that just took that out. Then we came right back down a little bit. We're just kind of pausing in here. So I'm waiting for kind of a red to green move on this day to get long. We're well above the midpoint of the prior day. We kind of expected that high to be tested given the green bar. We gapped up to test it. So sometimes when you gap up, it's a little short-term exhaustion risk. You got to come down, take out some stops first before heading higher, or just, maybe pause a little bit and then break out. So I'm looking for, if we have a few inside bars here, maybe I'll buy the inside bar breakout, see if it takes that high out. If we just get a nice green bar, I sense we're getting an inside kind of price action here that should give you kind of a buy signal, and then you monitor, if we can take out that high of the day. But this open right here is the open of the month, so that's going to be a very significant reference point going forward for the entire month. If I go to the monthly chart here on the SPY, you can see here after that green month last month, you kind of expect those highs to be tested. So as long as we kind of hold the midpoint of this month, no matter what happens to start out, I'm still expecting something to move higher at some point to take out those highs. So for the moment, after 45 minutes, we're a little red here, but we're well above the highs of yesterday. So, we're on our way towards kind of a new monthly high at some point. So on this kind of an opening here, just thought I'd point out, I'm waiting for kind of that red to green move. In this case, it doesn't really look like a quick red and then an immediate strong green. It looks like more inside price action that might try to break out to the upside. And then just given the way it's very choppy here, you really got to monitor closely if you can get through that high, first or a couple of bar high here of the day and follow through strong. But that's kind of what I'm waiting for on the SPY. There are other stocks that are moving strong, some aren't, so that's why you have this mix kind of opening here. But overall, the buys are still at the upside, and just thought I'd point out, again, if this gives me an inside bar here that breaks up, I'll buy some SPY calls and see if it takes out that high, and then kind of go from there, anticipating follow through higher, as we've been talking about, up into the upper end of this red bar here, back towards those, monthly highs. So let's see how that unfolds. Maybe this was the move here on bar number 2 to take out some stops and hold, and then now we're holding here on this bar. So with maybe 10 minutes to go in this bar, we'll see if it holds inside and breaks to the upside. But just again, thought I'd give a morning update on the SPY, since some people trade only this index relative to some of the other stocks out there.